Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of Gilmore Girls, and I'm thrilled to share with you what I believe is the best Gilmore Girls room decor. The yiuzuik Gilmore Girls merchandise gift set. This set is perfect for any fan who wants to bring a touch of Stars Hollow into their home. Whether you're a die-hard Gilmore Girls enthusiast or just someone who loves cozy, chic decor, this gift set is packed with everything you need to create a whimsical yet stylish atmosphere. Let's take a closer look at what this set includes. First up, we have the adorable Cosmetic bag. This isn't just any makeup bag. It's spacious enough to hold all your beauty essentials, travel toiletries, or even tech gadgets like your headphones and phone. It's designed for the on-the-go lifestyle, perfect for any Gilmore Girls fan who's always rushing around like Lorelai. The material feels high quality, ensuring it's durable for everyday use, and the chic design makes it a stylish addition to your room. Imagine using this while getting ready for your own coffee date at Luke's Diner, or your local cafe, of course. Next, we have a trendy keychain that adds that perfect finishing touch. This keychain is handmade, inspired by iconic moments from the show, and it truly captures the essence of the Gilmore Girls vibe. It's not only functional but also a great conversation starter. Just picture yourself pulling your keys out of your bag, and having your friends instantly recognize the Gilmore Girls reference. And let's not forget about the socks. This set comes with high-quality, cozy socks that are perfect for lounging around on a lazy day while you binge-watch your favorite episodes. They feature various patterns that allow you to express your unique style while showing off your love for the show. Plus, who doesn't love a comfy pair of socks while sipping coffee and reminiscing about all those memorable moments from Gilmore Girls? It's the ultimate way to feel connected to the show. This gift set isn't just about the individual items, it's about creating an experience. It allows you to immerse yourself in the Gilmore Girls universe, whether you're decorating your room or looking for the perfect gift for a fellow fan. It truly enhances your viewing experience, making it easier to feel in sync with your favorite characters and their adventures in Stars Hollow. So, if you're looking for the best Gilmore Girls room decor, this merchandise gift set by yiuzuik is definitely worth checking out. It's the perfect blend of functionality and fandom, allowing you to showcase your love for the show in a stylish way. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Product Critique. If you loved this gift set as much as I do, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite Gilmore Girls moment is, and if you've tried this set, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay stylish and keep celebrating the shows you love.